Hi everybody, because my English is no good, so if they have wrong sentence and pronunciation error, please do not mind. My name is Sunny Lee. I came from China. I'm behind the United Nations headquarters building in New York. Now, I'm here to test the WHO delegation of the duty and mislead the public acts. The protest banner is written, "The Secretary of the Human Constitution Defense, and the best way to prevent and cure avian flu." Because of a few years ago, when I was in a physical training, I discovered a simple exercise that can make the body to restore strong, as it has been proved through practice by many people. This exercise enables the body's semen, human, and blood to restore fully at the quiet and relief, and strengthen the immune system. So we have reason to believe that this is the best way to prevent and cure of the avian flu, and we believe solve the secrets of human constitutions different. So I am in avian flu and SARS took place during the period, with many ways to connect the WHO, the American Disease Prevention and Control Center, and the Chinese Medical Department, and so on. But I always could not obtain there any response. So for this arrogant behavior, we should condemn it. This is the other side is writing. Start misleading and control such behavior. Trash our energy. They have very serious misleading. They believe that semen is nutrients, not nutrients. It is only by more than 90% of water and other similar element and plasma composter, and even think this is suitable. Such behavior can benefit health. It is because of the fallacies that they deliberately misleading and abetting, resulting in the proliferation of the such behavior insecurity. In particular, the current generation of young people who has not yet fully matured has been beset with such sexual behavior. It is like constructing a building by cheating on labor and material. Such the whole human constitution beings have become feeble day after day, and we have reached a very critical stage. For example, human avian flu and SARS production and the spread. The nourishment is widespread spread to be out of the balance. More new disease appear and the disease comes early and so on. Therefore, we need to connect this mistake as soon as possible. The second misleading is they think human suffering of the avian flu and SARS that come from animal. In fact, the human suffering of the avian flu and SARS doesn't come from animal, which is to take the blame means to cover up their incompetence because of production and wide range dissemination of the human avian flu and SARS, including all disease. Actually, all it is human own constitution job too. If their constitutions are strong, the most they made contract is the common cold. If their constitutions are weak, they contract a new serious disease like human avian flu or SARS. Therefore, we should not blame the human avian flu and SARS as human cause to the fault of the animal, and we only enhance our immunity, which is the best method of the prevention. So, for foods who mislead the severe, we should be corrected as soon as possible. And I hope everybody can relate the importance of semen in the human body. Do not indulge in the sex behavior and trace our energy. I don't know how long I can hold like this, so I hope I can get your support. Cause this exercise to be promoted as soon as possible to the security. Let's help those lived in the suffering due to the body was weak of the community, or be able to restore to good health. This is my website. Please log in to support. Thank you.